This isn't an installation video. I'm just going to show you a before and after and what you get with this kit. As you can see, my 12-inch shelf blew off the wall. This bracket blew out right here. Ripped one of those out. Very similar to this one right here. I'm going to use some of these parts, put some support brackets in because I hang clothes on this one. Use my own anchors too. This is the 12-inch wire bracket set. This is a 12-inch wire shelf. And what happened was, under the weight of all the stuff I put on there, this bracket just kind of blew out in the bottom, tore a bunch of other stuff out. So I bought this kit to fix it up. With this kit, you get two of these larger outer brackets. They're a little bit smaller than the ones that I had on there before, but that's okay because they actually fit in there pretty good. Actually, it might even be better. Also, this would be a good time to clean your wire rack. So the kit's made for 12-inch wire shelves. And what you get in here, you get three of these support brackets that are 17 inches long. I wanted those. I didn't have them on there before. You get two outer brackets. You're going to get 6 of these clips that go onto the front of the shelf here. You get 6 anchors and screws for the clips. They've got 3 larger wall anchors and 4 smaller wall anchors with different size screws for the outer brackets, I assume. These clips that came with it, they're pretty tight to get on there. I'm just going to put a couple on ahead of time because, save me the trouble of doing it when it's already up on the wall. But you want to make sure, obviously, you have these going in the right direction. I've already got 2 in the wall from when it collapsed, so I'll probably replace one, and I'm going to put one over here. Like I said, I'm going to use my own anchors. But pretty much everything you need. These 17-inch brackets you have here, they go in. Obviously, this part goes flat against the wall, and these go in like this. You stick it through the bar, that goes in like that, and then it lines up to the wall. So I got it up, and it is strong and sturdy. When I put this bracket on, I wasn't paying attention. I kind of pushed it up enough to lift this out of here just a bit, but once I get some weight in there, I don't think it'll be much of a big deal. Second thing, these have like square holes in them, these brackets, and there was only 3 of the screws that came with this was enough to cover the large hole that's in these brackets, just so you know. If you're using your own stuff, you'll need a slightly larger screw or a washer. Got my clips up on there. Stuff that worked as it was supposed to, ready to load it back up.